What kind of drilling rig is good? Check out the ST300 water well drilling rig, which can provide powerful 300-meter drilling performance. In the most rugged terrain in Africa and Asia, it is equipped with a 78千瓦 U-chain engine with a torque of up to 8900牛米 and can drill 105到305毫米 holes in soft soil and hard rock environment.